Hi, I'm Dr. Amrita. I write at healthwellbridge.com. I write, create vlogs, podcasts, and have several books on Amazon. I create content around health, wellness, financial freedom, and how education is a bridge to live the best life you can. I'm a part of the BlogChatter community for the last 4 years, and it's one of the best group of bloggers you will ever find. One of their campaigns, Lights, Camera, Chatter, was the motivation behind my start to vlogging. I was not really making a lot of video content because I thought I lacked the skills to make good video. But after attending sessions by famous YouTuber Akash Banerjee, I realized I could have better audio and better video without breaking the bank. His recommendation helped me buy a budget-friendly lapel mic, and that was the beginning of better audio quality for my vlogs. In another session with Karthik Nijman, I learned about the production process of video making, especially about framing your videos and making vlogs look nice without losing your mind. His tips about lights and the tripod made me think about making videos at home smarter. I simply could not be ill prepared if I wanted to fight the nervousness. I learned about speaking into the camera from Siddharth Mishra, about having a plan and a script. It should be like talking to a friend. The voice modulation is essential. He gave a special tip about chanting Om from the stomach to make the voice sound well and strong. Voice, not noise. That's what he said. If not for Lights, Camera, Chatter by BlogChatter, I would never have started making videos as a part of my content bouquet.